Good morning, Liverpool class, and welcome. This is a maths lesson and it's going to be on subtraction. I hope that you'll be able to remember some of the strategies that we have covered. Let's have a look. Subtracting a one-digit number. Let's have a look at a couple together first. 31. Take away 7, or we could say 31 subtract 7, or 31 minus 7 equals. I wonder, now then, we could count backwards, couldn't we? So 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24. Okay, we could also think about 31. That's 7, we could take away 1 to begin with, couldn't we? And we've got 30, then we've got 6. So 30 take away 6. We could count back, but we could also use our bonds, because I know 6 add 4 make 10. So I would know that it would be 24. Let's have a look at one where we take away 9. Of course, 74 subtract 9. Now I can easily, I know 9 is nearer to 10. So I could take 10 and add 1. That's one strategy, look, 74. 64, and I just add 1, so I'd get 65. I could also do it 74 where I count back 73, 72, 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65. So I'll get the same answer. We're thinking of the most effective strategies. The other, I could take that 4 off straight away. And I know, think 9, 4 and what make 5. So then, once I've got 70, I've got to take another 5 off. And I know 5 and 5 make 10. So again, I would still get to 65. You have a go at completing them other ones by yourself, using a strategy that you think is most effective, either counting back or using your number bonds. Or maybe for minus 9, take 10 and add 1. Now then, let's have a look at this one. Look, subtracting multiples of 10. Let's use base 10. We're good at counting back in tens. Have a go from different numbers like 98, 88, 78, 68, 58, 48, 38, 28, 18, 8. Pick another number and count backwards. Remember these ones, look, 34 minus 20, so we've got to take 2 lots of 10. 34, you could have your sticks, couldn't you? Or you could have 10 pences, whatever you've got to help you if you need concrete objects. 34, 24, 14. Have a go at the other two. Let's have a look at these. Now we've got 2 problems here. Look, he's got 6 stickers, the little boy, and he gets 10 new stickers every day for 8 days. So you've got to, how many stickers will he have after 8 days? Let's count 6, so he'd have to go up 16, 26. You see if you could keep going, 26, 36, 46, 56, 66, 76, 86. See if you could work that out. Now then, this one, I'm not going to help you with this because this is just using pictures. The star, look, is 30. The moon is 10. The sun is 40. So we've got a star and a sun. So it would be 30 and 40. And if you could do that. Then a star is 30 and the moon is 10. So it would be 30 subtract 10. I wondered if you could make up your own calculations. for the sun, moon and star. Or I wonder if you could actually pick different numbers. Maybe for the star, look, 58, 10, for the moon, 16, maybe for the sun, 26. Could you make different calculations? Now then, let's have a look at this one where we're subtracting 2-digit numbers. Let's have a look at that number. We've got 3 10s and 8 1s in there, haven't we? So that number, going back to, would be 3 10s and 8 1s. It would be 38. So the number is 38. Now look at the next one. How many is crossed out? Look, we've got a 10 and 5 1s. Then 15. Oh, not 15. Look, how many 10s are crossed out? We've got 2. So it's 25 is crossed out. What's left? So we've got the 10 and the 3. So it would be 13. Now the number is 13. So it would be 38 is what we started with, minus 25, what we crossed out, and we are left with 13. Now then, you're going to have a go using base 10 to do them. So 7 take away 2, that's quite easy. But look, 48 take away 11. So you would draw 4 10s and 8 1s. You can physically get them with money, 4 10p's and 8 1p's, or you could have 4 sticks, 4 straws, or 4 cocktail sticks and 8 counters. Then you're going to take away a 10. Then you're going to take away a 1. Wonder how many is left. You decide. I think 30 take away 10. That's quite an easy one. But 27 take away 16. So you would make 27 with 2 10s and 7 1s. Then you take away a 10 and take away 6 1s. See how many is left. Look at these. These are another way of completing subtracting 2-digit numbers, and it's called the column method. So we've got 52 and 11. So our 1s, we take 2 1s minus 1 would be 1. 5 10s, which is 50, and a 10. So we'd have 5 10s, take away 1 10 equals 4 10s. So that would be 41. I wondered if you could complete the other 3, because they're quite simple, them ones. A problem there, look. Rosie has 25 balloons, but Scott has 11 fewer than Rosie. So how many balloons does he have? So you'd have to take a 10 and a 1 and see how many he'd got less, because fewer is less. So if Rosie had 25 and Scott had 11 fewer, when you want to know how many balloons did they have altogether, you would have to add Rosie's 25, and when you've worked out how many Scott has, add them 2 together. Now then, we're going to have a look at this Tommy's method. Look, he had 23, take away 5, but 3 1s take away 5 we can't do. So we have to exchange, don't we? Exchange or borrow a 10. So we cross them 2 10s out and put it as a 1 10. And then we put the other 10 on the other side. So now we don't have 3, we've got 13 take away 5. And we can count back, can't we? 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. And then we're left with a 10, aren't we? I want you to use Tommy's method to complete the subtractions, okay? So you've got 6 there, where each time, the first 2, you've got to, it's only a single digit, but on the other 4, look, so 63, let's do one of them together. 63 take away 35. So we can't do 3 take away 5 again. We know that. So we've got to borrow from the 6 tens, look. So that would make it 5 tens. We'd have a 10. 13 take away 5 we know is 8. Then we'd have 5 tens take away 3 tens would be 2 tens. So we'd end up with 28. I think you could have a go at them ones. That's called the column method. Then we've got a problem to finish with, look. With Dexter having 33 bricks and Rosie got 19. So we've got to work out how many do they have all together, adding them up. Then we've got to work out how many more bricks does Dexter have more. So it would be 33 take away 19. See if you could work that out. I think I would take 20 and add 1. Or you could do column method, couldn't you? You could do them both as column methods. So I hope that you have enjoyed this learning. And remember, if you do some, I would love to see it. Okay, take care.